So shipping profiles on Whatnot, how to set them up. First, you have to open your Whatnot app and then click on your profile. And then you have to click on these arrows up here. And then you have to click on Seller Hub to redirect you to your Seller Hub page. And then you have to click on shipping. And then you have to click on shipping profiles. As you can see, we don't have any shipping profiles yet. You can actually click on create profile, or you can tap this plus icon. Then you have to actually input some details. For example, the name, the weight of your shipping profile. For example, it's pound or it's kilogram or something like that. And then we have two important options. The bundling options, the first one is set the maximum number of items to put into one package. If you toggle it on, you can actually select max number of items in one box. If you have unusually sized item or fragile item, I really suggest you to put this one on number 1. Then you can actually set a fixed weight for additional items in the same package. If you scroll down, you see this box dimensions. You can actually put the length, width and height of your box and then click on save profile. So as you can see your shipping profiles right here, and you just created a shipping profiles on Whatnot. Thanks for watching this video.